Narrator, in this quick video, you'll learn how to send files on Instagram, step by step. Narrator, first, open the Instagram app and log in if you're not already. On-screen text, step 1, open Instagram. Narrator, from the home screen, tap the paper airplane or messenger icon in the top right to open your direct messages. On-screen text, open DMs with an arrow pointing to the icon. Narrator, to send a file to someone you already chat with, tap their conversation from the DM list. On-screen text, choose a chat. Narrator, to start a new chat, tap the pencil icon or new message button, then search for the person's username and select it. On-screen text, new message play button, search name. Narrator, once the chat is open, you're ready to attach and send your files. On-screen text, chat open heavy check mark. Narrator, to send photos or videos from your phone, tap the square gallery icon next to the message box. On-screen text, tap gallery. Narrator, select one or more photos or videos, then tap send. On-screen text, pick files play button, send. Narrator, to snap something new, tap the camera icon in the chat, capture your photo or video, then tap the arrow to send it. On-screen text, camera play button, capture play button, send. Narrator, on most phones, Instagram DMs are best for sending images and short videos, not large documents. On-screen text, tip, best for photos and clips. Narrator, if you need to send a big file, upload it to a cloud service, copy the link, and paste it into the message box. On-screen text, share via link. Narrator, finally, tap send. Your file or link appears in the chat, and you're done. On-screen text, tap send heavy check mark.